Hey guys, so I'm super excited. This isn't American Girl related, but I was really excited and I just wanted to make a video about it. So I got an Ipod Touch. It's the white 16 gigabyte. It is the 4th generation, because I didn't really like the 5th generation. Anyway, it's a refurbished. It's awesome. So I was gonna open it up. It's got like a plastic covering kind of. And here's my case. It's like a little panda. I have a case cover, a case like wipe off, and a little stylus. So yeah, I'm just gonna open this up. So I took the plastic off, and it's just like it's actually a really nice box. So it just opens up down here. Oh my gosh! I'm so excited! This is like best day ever. Like so flippin' sweet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Okay, yeah, I'm really excited. Cause I was checking every day for the refurbished Ipod Touch from the Apple Store. I was checking it every day, and I had to wait like 6 weeks until it actually came in stock. So I was like bouncing off the walls when it finally came in stock. So in this little packet, we have just the regular Apple headphones, cord to like hook up to iTunes and stuff, and then a little fingertip thing, and some Apple stickers. There are 2 Apple stickers. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so it's just like in a little covering. Yeah, the reason I got the refurbished is because I got the 4th generation. I got the refurbished because it was less expensive than even the regular 4th generation, and I got the 4th generation because it was like almost $100 less than the 5th generation. So, yeah, I liked it a lot better. So you just take it off that. Oh my gosh! Oh, it's so sweet! Like, that's awesome. So, I'm just gonna stick it in the case. I don't want to mess it up. Okay. Stick it in. Oh my gosh! So yes, this is it in the case. It's got a little spot for the camera, and for the headphones and all that stuff. I'm gonna turn it on. It's like awesome. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna wait for it to turn on. Oh, sweet! It's like best day ever. So you just slide it. Okay, yeah. So going with English. Okay, yeah, sure. Then so I'm just gonna set it up real quick, and then I'll be right back. So now I'm back, and I've set up my iPod, so now it's ready to use. I've downloaded a bunch of stuff. So yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed. Toodles!